Welcome to John Banks Honda Cambridge, and today we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4 XL 2.5 VVT hybrid. This is finished in the pearl white with the black wheels and black mirror caps, giving it a sporty appeal to this really popular and really high spec hybrid SUV. As you can see from the video, comes with a power tailgate. It's had a load liner fitted just to protect the floor. And a really spacious tailgate. Comes finished with the black alloy wheels. And the black mirror caps. And they really do look smart. Full black leather seats. It comes with Toyota's safety sense system with the blind spot monitoring. Driver's seat is electric. Up, down, forwards, backwards, backrest also, and the electric lumbar support. Got front and rear electric windows. The seats also have memory settings, 2 settings for the driver's seat. We've got cruise control, start button, and lane assist. So we'll just start her up now. There's a little orange light to say that the blind spot monitoring is working. System's kicked in. We've got climate control, which is dual zone with quick front demist. All your EV modes just on here for sport, EV mode and eco mode. And you've got heated seats also, high, low and off, and that's for both driver and passenger. Automatic gearbox, satellite navigation, and if we pop her into reverse, reversing camera also to go with the sensors. The car has only done 38,801 miles and is available now. If you've got any questions about this car, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at John Banks Honda Cambridge. Give us a call or follow the email and web links. Thanks for watching.